Okay. This is Thursday, December 22nd, about 9:45 p.m. Just finished doing battle with Old Man Winter and the weather prediction of the big giant blizzard, which of course didn't pan out since the forecasts are almost always wrong. That's a job you want to get your kids to go into, because it doesn't matter if you're right or not. Just get up there and spout off what you think is going to happen and be wrong. Anyway, just finished shoveling the snow. It's -3 right now. No big deal. Yeah, it's a little windy at times. I've been out running in much worse. This wasn't that big a deal. But we got the whole driveway done. My wife came out for a few minutes because she felt sorry for me. No need. Wasn't any big deal. Here's the street. I shoveled almost half the street in front of our house. There's the driveway. And about, I don't know, half the street down the ways that way. So, all done. Old Man Winter lost another battle to yours truly. Jam it, Old Man Winter. Have a Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye for now.